Hello students, welcome to another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn input and output in C++. The cout object together with the insertion operator is used to output values or print text. Cout is an object which is used for print something on the screen. You can use multiple cout objects as you want. Cout hello and cout x. This first line will print the hello text on the screen, and second line will print the value of x which is stored in the x on the screen. We have already learned about these in the previous videos. Input object. Cn is an object. It is predefined that reads data from the keyboard with the extraction operator. Cin is pronounced Cin, used for input and used extraction operator. User can take input a value and that value would store in the variable. Cin used to take input from the user, and its value will be stored in any variable. It takes the value from the input object on its left and places it in the variable on its right. Cin will take the input and store in the variable x. Example: int x, I have created a variable x. Cout, type a number. This is only a string, and cin extraction operator x. This will get the value from the user and save it in the x. Now we will print the value of the x. Cout /n, the number is. /n is a sequence escape. We will read these later. /n is used for new line. So we have write /n, the number is. So the number is will print on the next line. ln is used for new line text or any statement after the /n will be print on the next new line. I have already written the basic code of C++. Now I will create a variable int x. Type a number. This is only a string that I want to show on the screen. Cin extraction operator x. This will take input from user and save value in the variable x. Cout /n to print the text on the next line. The number is. Cout x. I have declared a variable x, and I have write a string type a number to print on a screen, and in the third line I am taking the input from user, and it will save in the variable x, and third line cout /n, the number is. The number is a line. This line will be print on the new line because I have used /n. And cout insertion operator x. This will print the value of x which we have taken input from the user. You can also use these in the one line, but you have to write insertion operator. So this will print this line and print the value of x on the screen. So I am compiling this code. So this is the string that I want to print on the screen, and it's in cin extraction operator x. It is waiting for me to take a value So I will write 10. So this has been shown that number is 10. So run this another time, and I am giving this time a value 15, and the number is 15. So cin will take the value from user, and it will save the variable with you can write. You can also write here my age, and this will take the value from user and save in the my age. It's working fine. So that's all for today. We will learn more about C++ programming course in the upcoming videos.